Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the $1.5 billion annual end of year cleanup program. That's the official name of the project, but this is where they go around and cut the grass and basically beautify some of the roads in Jamaica. So we are driving on Spanish Town Road, and this is one of the roads that they are going to be working on. Washington Boulevard is another road, and they've actually started working on Washington Boulevard. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this program. So this year it's budgeted at $1.5 billion. Work has commenced under the $1.5 billion annual end-of-year cleanup program being spearheaded by the National Works Agency and the National Solid Waste Management Authority. NWA Communication and Customer Services Manager Stephen Shaw stated that the activities include drain cleaning, bushing, and patching by the agency, and the removal of bulky waste by the NSWMA. Every year we have a program of work at the end of the year and at the back end of the Atlantic hurricane season. This year the government has earmarked $1.5 billion and the sum is divided among 63 constituencies, he said. Mr. Shaw indicated that the programmed activities comprise the overall slate of work to be undertaken in the targeted areas. A critical aspect of the cleanup program is the island-wide road patching work now underway. Mr. Shaw said that under the $5 billion Relief Emergency Assistance and Community Help REACH program, road repairs have already begun. Contracts are to be issued to contractors to commence critical emergency road repairs, for which the government has provided an additional $2 billion. This follows Cabinet's approval of the Emergency Road Repair Project, bringing the total provided under the REACH program to $5 billion. We are looking to have the contracts in place so we can move quickly to start the implementation. This again will go over into early January, Mr. Shaw informed. This is a main road program, so the emphasis would be on those roads that take a lot of vehicular traffic. Washington Boulevard, Spanish Town Road, Grants Pen Road, and the North Coast Highway. All these corridors that we have had complaints about, we're going to be giving some attention to through the $2 billion provision he added. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So the government is going to be spending $1.5 billion on the cleanup program and another $5 billion on the patching program. And that in addition, they are going to be spending $45 billion on the Spark program, which is to rebuild 2,000 roads in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.